You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to know how to code. You just need to be smart enough to use what's already built. Welcome to the era of AI side hustles where machines work and you earn. Today, I'm breaking down the top 3 AI-powered side hustles you can start right now, even if you have zero technical experience. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, they're real. Scalable opportunities people are using in 2025 to earn extra income, automate boring tasks, and create financial freedom. Let's dive in. Side hustle number 1. Selling AI-generated content, faceless YouTube blogs or ebooks. What it is? You use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper to generate high-quality written content YouTube scripts, blog posts, children's books, guided journals, even ebooks. Pair it with Canva or Midjourney DALL-E for visuals, and you've got a sellable product with very low effort. How to start? Pick a niche. Motivation, finance, health, parenting, etc. Use AI to write or outline the content. Polish it with a human touch. Publish it on platforms like KDP, Amazon, Kindle, Medium, or even start a YouTube automation channel. Why it works? AI does 80% of the heavy lifting. Your job? Know what people want and deliver it with the right packaging. No camera, no mic, no followers needed. Just consistency, SEO, and value. Estimated earning potential: $300, $3,000 a month once your content starts gaining traction. Side hustle number 2. AI-powered digital products on Etsy or Gumroad. What it is? Design and sell digital downloads, think planners, affirmation cards, fitness guides, resume templates, Notion dashboards, all created with the help of AI tools. How to start? Use ChatGPT to generate written content. Use Canva to design beautiful layouts. Use tools like Promptero plus Midjourney DALL-E to create visuals or icons. List your products on Etsy, Payhip, or Gumroad. Why it works? People want done-for-you tools that solve problems. Not starting a business from scratch. Reusing AI to streamline and automate a system that already works. Set it up once, let it sell forever. Best niches in 2025. Budget planners, mental health journals, AI prompt packs, content calendars for social media creators. Resume kits and cover letter bundles. Estimated earning potential: $500, $5,000 a month depending on your traffic and marketing. Side hustle number 3. AI-powered freelance services. Without doing the work manually. What it is? Offer services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Legiate, such as copywriting, blog posts, product descriptions, script writing, or translation. Then use AI to fulfill them. How to start? Create a profile offering one high-demand service, like SEO articles. When you land a client, use ChatGPT, Grammarly, and Quillbot to create and polish the content. Add value with fast delivery, revisions, or formatting. Bonus tip: use voice AI tools like Eleven Labs or Murph to offer voiceovers. Why it works? Most clients don't care how you get the job done, they care about the results. You're using AI to drastically reduce your time while delivering value. Pro tip: bundle multiple AI tools to stand out. For example, offer a YouTube SEO optimized script with thumbnails made using DALL-E plus Canva, and you become a one-stop shop. Estimated earning potential: $200, $10,000 a month, depending on how many clients you take on or automate. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to assist us. If you know how to leverage it, you don't need a tech background, a massive budget, or even an audience. You just need execution. The tools are free, the tutorials are online. What's stopping you? Which side hustle are you starting today? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on AI income strategies, passive income hacks, and smart money moves in the AI age. Your journey to financial freedom doesn't start tomorrow, it starts now.